This is Andrea, one of our experienced operatives here at Vendaid. Andrea is going to show us how to refill a DIY machine. Firstly, start by opening the door to expose the interior of the machine. Before removing the canisters, it is important to rotate the canister elbows to an upright position, thus reducing the risk of any product loss. Once the elbows have been rotated, gently lift the canister and slide out of its position. To fill the canisters, simply place on a level surface and remove the lid. Carefully pour the product into the canister, making sure to leave a centimetre or so free at the top. Gently move the canister to settle the product, then replace the lid. Gently replace the canister back into its correct position. Once in position, make sure the canister elbows are facing down into the mixing bowl, as the door will not close if they are not in the correct position. Close the door to the machine and secure. Place a cup underneath the spout and do 1 or 2 test bends to ensure there is no clogging of product or residue left over.